So guys, most of the linemen I have are all this type. In fact, every lineman I've got has got these little, I call them pincher type cutters. I don't know what the technical term is, but it's these cutters, you know, that unlike the wire strippers here that have that shear type cutting, see the little shears, they slide past each other. These just have the little pincher type. They just pinch down and snap the wire. You know, this is Knipex, I got Klein, I got the Milwaukee here. They all have the same type of cutters. And most of the side cutters are the same way. As you can see, you know, these side cutters are those pincher type. Milwaukee. Here's a Cat made by Snap-on and Klein. All of them are the pincher type. Now, I didn't even know they had Lineman that had the shear type cutters on them. I was watching this American Electrician channel, and he had this on here. This is the Marvel shear type cutters, but it's the Lineman plier. It's an 8 1/4 inch Lineman plier. It's model number MAV200N. Let's take a look at it. Boy, look at that. They come broken in. Man, I like these. I like the way they feel. It's got this little bit harder rubber. It's not as soft a rubber as the typical Klein dip grip. A little bit harder plastic, but it's still got a little grip to it, and you can see the way it's made there. It's got these little dimples all over it, so you get some good grip on there. It does have crimpers here. As you can see here, it does say not for steel, right? MAV200N, not for steel, Marvel. But look at the size of the cutters there. And also, look how tight. Now, I think on the packaging, they kind of allude to this is very tight here. Let's do a little test here for that. Now, you know, every time I bring up, man, I want to look at these, and the damn cutters are, I mean, the tips are far apart. What everybody always says, well, that's so you can twist wire. I think that's a cop-out. I think it's just easier to make like this. It's harder to make it where these line up perfectly and these line up perfectly. So they make it with just a little bit of a gap, I think. I mean, you know what? I mean, that's like a 32nd of an inch. How's that going to help you twist wire? Anyway, you can see here, just twist right through. Knipex the same way. It's not just Klein's Knipex. Milwaukee, same thing. Let's look at these Marvels. Now, I haven't tried this yet. I'm testing it right here. Yeah, look at that. You can even see the imprint on there it puts in there. Yeah, these are tight, see? These are well engineered. Now, they're easier to do with these because you got that shear type cutter. You don't have pinching that stops. You know, so of course it's going to be easier to do, but they do tout that as one of their pluses to buying these. Let's see how they cut here. Now, I've got some 20 amp 12 gauge wire here. It's not that hard to cut. Here's a Knipex. Got a little snap to it. Klein. A little snap to it. Let's try this. Let's try the Marvel. Boy, it feels like it cuts it cleaner, but I'll be honest with you, I was expecting a little bit easier cut with these. Let me try these wire strippers from Knipex. Forged wire strippers. Yeah, about the same. I don't know. It seems like it's maybe a little bit easier with the Knipex cutting these. Here's one thing about it I have noticed. You can see here on the Klein, that pivot point, this pivot point here is only about, I don't know, 3/16 or 3/32, I mean. You know, a little over a 16th right here. You can see on the Milwaukee's even smaller than that. It's probably a 16th of an inch. Same thing, about maybe a 16th, 3/32, just like the Klein on these Knipex. Now this one, look at this one. This one's got, I mean, if you really wanted to go by, you almost have to go from up here, but to where the cutters start here to here, Hell, it's almost 5/16. You see where that is? Look at that. Here. Now this is angle. Y'all have to go to here, really. So they're not high leverage. That's probably got something to do with it. You know, these, that's probably the reason these cut maybe just as well. You can tell these are high leverage because this little pivot point here is right there by the cutters. So you're getting some good leverage on here. And when you cut with these, and I tell you, it wants to, I mean, they're okay. I was expecting a lot better, but I can understand, you know, because they didn't put the pivot point up high. If they would have put this pivot point higher, it would have cut a lot easier. Anyway, they say do not cut steel, so they would just want you to cut copper with these, of course, so you don't mess this up. Now, I read on some of the Amazon reviews that people were cutting MC cable with these, and it cut fine, but it did dull the cutters. I've heard people cutting MC cable with this all day long, and it didn't dull the cutters. Now, I have not cut MC cable, but people that have swear by these forged wire strippers by Knipex for cutting that MC cable. But these, I mean, these are okay. Now, they're not cheap. They're $44, and they come out of Japan. I mean, I ordered this on the Amazon website, and it took probably, I don't know, 2.5, 3 weeks to get in because it did ship from Japan. But it was free shipping. $44 free shipping. I mean, if you want them, you know, they're cool just for this. I wouldn't buy them just for the Lineman, because I don't know, I like Klein. But I tell you what they are nice for. If you got some little small wires or something very small you need to grab a hold to, these things are perfect. Nice and wide too, as you can see here, almost just as wide as the Klein here. Now, these are 8 1/4. These are 9 inches. This is 8 1/4 inches, so it's a little bit smaller than these other ones. But I tell you, I do like the feel of these things. I mean, I think they're a fine pair of pliers. You can just tell there's quality here by the way. This is the way I look at them too. How do they finish? I mean, do they take the extra step and the extra money to take it to a nice finish? And these have a beautiful finish on them, as you can see here. Nice smooth finish. What's with that anodized steel here, or oxide steel, black oxide. Just a fine pair of pliers, broke in nice, very nice. So that's the Marvel MVA 200N. Get them on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description. We'll see you later.